In this video specifically, I'm teaching how to display absolute value on the data label in Google Sheet pie chart. Consider I have two columns of dataset. The first thing we need to insert a column in between these two columns. I'm going to rename this column, let's say helper. And I will type a very easy formula. Simply type equal. In this case, I will select category cell and %. And now we will type text function, open parenthesis. For the number, I will select the total cell amount, hit comma. For the format, in this case, I will type dollar hash comma hash hash quotation mark again, close parenthesis. Now, if you want to add a space before the dollar sign, simply click here and type one space. Of course, if you want open close parenthesis, simply type open parenthesis. On the very end, simply type close parenthesis. Now I will hit enter and simply accept this suggestion. Our data sheet are ready. I will simply select these two columns, click on insert, chart. In this case, it's automatically pick the column chart. I will click on setup, scroll up. In the chart type menu, I will simply select the pie chart. Now click on customize pie chart. For the donut hole size, I will select 50%. Now I will move this chart on a right area and I will click inside the chart. We need to decrease the plot area so that we can perfectly read each and every data label. The next thing I will show you how to display the total cell amount inside a pie chart. So first I will click here and simply type a very easy sum function, open parenthesis. In this case, I will select all of the cell amount, hit enter. Now I will click on this single cell, click on insert, chart, scroll up, click change chart type drop down, scroll a little bit more and I will insert this scorecard chart. Click on customize chart style. For the background color, I will select none. For the chart border, I will select none. Now I will simply decrease the area of this chart and I will move this chart on the pie chart. So just play with this chart now. Now our chart is fully ready. The only thing I need to hide this column, I will simply select and hide this entire column. Make sure click include data for all hidden column. This is how we can create this amazing pie chart and everything is totally dynamic. For example, if I update the value, each and everything is totally dynamic. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video and I will share this template free of cost with you. Thank you so much.